My bowl here, I've got beans peeled and soaked overnight, and I've got Scotch bonnet pepper, I've got onions, and I've got red sweet pepper, kind of like a tatashi. So all of this will be blended together and we'll make the akara. And then I'll be serving the akara with custard. And seasoning for the akara, I'll be using aromats and salt, just plain and simple. Okay, so this is what my mixture looks like. The blended beans and everything in it. So I'm going to add my seasoning to it, salt, sea salt, and aromats. Well, which this kind of forms like Maggi as well, so yeah. So I've added my aromats and my salt, and I'm just okay. So I've started frying. I'm just testing out the oil to see how hot it is. I don't want it too hot. Okay, so back to my akara. As you can see, it's frying very well, and yep. So while my akara is frying, I'm going to be making my custard. I'm just going to get that ready, and today I'm going to be using milk. And this is what it will look like when it's all dissolved. Okay, so I've just made my custard. As you can see, nice and thick. And I'm going to be using honey instead of sugar. So I'm going to be using honey. And I'm going to put a little bit. Okay. And add a little bit more milk. Bon appetit. Join me. My akara is ready. My custard is ready. Thank you.